Guys, that is it. We are done here. The A Ma Maniere grand opening. They had a few select sneakers in there. I did make a pickup, so I'll show you guys that later when I get to the crib. And that's pretty much it, man. Shout out to the good people at A Ma Maniere for their grand opening, and they'll probably continue to have some heat for you guys, so stay tuned, check it out. All right, guys, I made it back to the crib, and let's see what we got. First thing is the A Ma Maniere hat. It's a collab with New Era that they have. You can see the New Era on the back. This is their A logo. As you can see here on the back, has the A Ma Maniere on the back of it. Also, I picked up a shoe release. So you can see by the box what I was able to pick up. Now, the cool part about this situation was they let us in at 6. Now, before 6 o'clock, they had the opening for friends and family. So when I pulled up around 4:30, you know, I was trying to find out, am I supposed to, I RSVP, so do I go in now or later, or what's the situation? And of course, a couple of the people that work there noticed me and they let me in early for friends and family. So shout out to the good people at Social Status. They show love, and I always show love back as well, which is why you see me do video reviews at their store and different things at their store, because they're good to me, so I'm good to them. And that's how that works. And I was also able to meet the owner, James, and had a pretty cool conversation with him, man. So you'll probably see something in the works with us as well, interview certain things. And this is what I picked up. The Fear of God Air Raids. When these dropped, I did want these. These are the great ones, either one. I was fortunate enough to able to get these on their restock. I showed you video footage. They had Yeezys, they had Fear of Gods, they had a few undercover collabs. So this is what I wanted out of what I saw in stock, and I'm glad I have these. These are going straight to feet. These are dope. I rock with these. But overall experience is pretty cool. It's a dope store. It's a 2-story store. Upstairs they have clothing and shoes, and downstairs, as you saw, they had clothing and shoes. But then they also have kind of like an express cafe in the back. So it looks like kind of like a Starbucks, food like Starbucks in the back of the restaurant, which was pretty dope. So I like the concept, man. It's a pretty nice store, dope concept. Shout out to the good people. I'm gonna stay tuned. There's been rumblings about Travis Scott restocks and whatnot at their store. I don't know, but I will try to stay tuned because I struck out on all the Travises at their store, and I'm trying to get 1s or 6s. I got 4s from them, so shout out to them for that. But 4s and 6s, 1s and 6s, trying to get. Overall dope. No complaints here. Shout out to the good people. Social Status, A Ma Maniere. Check them out. And until the next video, you guys be cool.